Yo, yo, what is going on, y'all? It's your boy Tony A, and we got we got a new toy in the building right now. This bad boy, what's in this box? It's possibly the best phone of the year. Got the iPhone XS, or excuse me, the iPhone XS Max. About to unbox this for you guys. Like you guys haven't seen enough unboxing, but y'all gonna see mine too. Gonna open this bad boy up. Look at that. For y'all that pre-ordered, this is what y'all get. Get this out of the way. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh, looks so pretty. Looks so pretty. Alright, cool. Alright, and I got the silver white version, 64 gig. Look at that, that'll be enough for me. Alright, man, let's dive into it. Take off this plastic. I don't care about the sound. Get that off. We hear about that action. Oop. Make sure y'all can see. Cold over here. Let's get the usual stuff that we don't care about. Here it is, y'all. Man, it's a whole lot of screen right here. Whole lot of screen. It's crazy. It feels pretty much like my iPhone 8 Plus that I've been rocking for the last year. And you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do some comparisons between the XS Max and the 8 Plus. So if you guys are on the edge and you're like, man, I got an 8 Plus. It's still fast, it's still nice. Should I get one of these? I'm gonna help you figure that out. So we'll put this down for a second. Like you guys haven't seen this already, we get the usual, the corny earbuds, lightning connector, weak brick, charging brick, and that's it. That is it, y'all. Let's power this on real quick, see if it has any juice. So for me, I just knew I had to get one. For everything that I do, I like media creation and stuff for my device, and I don't think enough people talk about that. What do you actually use your iPhone for outside of just, your texting and media consumption? And whoa. Look at this. This screen looks crazy. It's just so immersive. It's crazy. Okay. There you go. English. And actually, the screen doesn't feel too wide for me. I got very big girlish fingers, or very long girlish fingers, so it doesn't feel that bad. Quick start setup manual. But just off the bat, y'all, this is really, and look at me like a little doofus. I still got the plastic on. Hold on, let me help y'all out. Oh yeah. Go the other way. Boom. Ooh, looks even prettier. It's game over, folks. It's game over. And this silver color with the silver siding, y'all, this is crazy. This is just premium all the way through. This is dope. So again, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna put this through its paces, and it's gonna be on and popping. Y'all stay tuned for an impressions video, a comparison video with the A plus, everything. We just gonna be getting it in with this device. All right. Thank y'all for watching. It's your boy Tony A. Peace.